The last class we said that when considering two triangles, if one side and angles at the ends are equal, then the triangles are equal. And we had already done a problem. The opposite sides of a parallelograms are equal using this theorem. And here also we considering a parallelogram and we want to prove a new theorem. That is what the bisect, when the two diagonals are bisect each other, that is P is the midpoint of this diagonal AC and P is also the midpoint of DB, or AP is equal to PC or DP is equal to PD. ഇതാണ് നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് ത്രികോണത്തിൻ്റെ കമ്പാരിസനാണ്. ത്രികോണം, അതായത് ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ കമ്പാരിസനാണ്, ട്രയാങ്കിളിൻ്റെ സിമിലാരിറ്റിയാണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഈ രണ്ട് വശങ്ങളും തുല്യമാണെന്ന് തെളിയിക്കണമെങ്കിലും നമ്മളുടെ കയ്യിൽ അത് ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന രണ്ട് ത്രികോണങ്ങൾ വേണം. അപ്പോൾ ഇതും ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളും ഇതും ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന ട്രയാങ്കിളും. ദെൻ വി ക്യാൻ കൺസിഡർ ദീസ് ടു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഉണ്ട്, ഈ ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാം. ഈ ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ വരച്ച വി ക്യാൻ കൺസിഡർ ദിസ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ആൻഡ് സിമിലർലി വി ക്യാൻ കൺസിഡർ ദിസ് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ. ഈ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുന്നതോടുകൂടി നമ്മൾ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന സൈഡൊക്കെ അവിടെ വന്നു. ഈ സൈഡും വന്നു, ഈ സൈഡും വന്നു. നൗ യു വാണ്ട് ടു പ്രൂവ് ദാറ്റ് ദീസ് ടു ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് ആർ ഈക്വൽ. ഇനി ഈ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിളിനെ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് യാതൊരു ഇതുമില്ല. നമുക്ക് ഈ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിളും കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാം, അങ്ങനെയും ചെയ്യാം. നമ്മൾ ഇത് ചെയ്താലും ആൻഡ് ഇഫ് വി ചൂസ് ദിസ് വേ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ആൾസോ ട്രൂ. ഈ രണ്ട് വേസും നമുക്ക് ട്രൂ ആണ്, നമ്മുടെ ലോജിക്കിന് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. നൗ വി കൺസിഡർ ദീസ് ടു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ. വെൻ വി കൺസിഡർ ദീസ് ടു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ വി ക്യാൻ ടേക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ. ദിസ് സൈഡ് ആൻഡ് ദിസ് സൈഡ് ആർ ഈക്വൽ because this is a parallelogram. This quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Therefore, we had already proved that what opposite sides are equal. Therefore, these two sides are equal. And these two sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Therefore, we can consider these two angles, and these two angles are alternate angle, or we can consider set angles. When two parallel lines and intersected by transversal, we can see two angles that is alternate, and these two angles are equal. Then these two angles are equal. Now we can take also this set angle. The mirror position set angle is like that, what here, like this. These two angles are also equal. These two angles are also two alternate angles. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Now we can see two triangle, one side and angle at the ends. These angles are equal to these angles. Therefore, we can see mirrorly these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are equal. Then now we can say if these two triangles are equal, angle opposite, side opposite to this angle, that is this, is equal to side opposite to this angle, that is this. That is AP is equal to PC. We can say AP is equal to what? PC. And also side opposite to this angle and side opposite to this angles are equal. And this opposite side is PD. And here PB. That is PD is equal to what? PB, we can say. That implies what? P is the midpoint of both of these two diagonals. P is the midpoint of this large diagonal and P is the midpoint of this small diagonal. Therefore, we had the proof. In page number 21, you can see some simple problems. First, then we can do that. When considering these two triangles, the question you can read that in each pair of triangles below, find matching pairs of sides and write their names. Matching pairs of sides and write their names. We can see this is 6 centimeter and this is also 6 centimeter, and this angle and this angles are equal 50 degree, and these two angles are 70 degree. Then we can say these two triangles are equal by our last theorem. This side, one side and two end angle. One side and two end angles are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are equal. Then how we can find the matching pairs of sides? Very simple. Angle, first, in the first part of this lesson, we can say angle opposed to equal angles are equal. Two triangles are equal. Then we can say angle opposed to equal angles are equal. Side opposed to equal angles are equal. Side opposed to 50. That is AC. That is AC. Here AC. We can write AC is equal to Side opposite to 50 is here what? PQ. Very simple. That is PQ. That is AC is equal to PQ. That is over. Then side opposite to 70. That is what? PR. Side opposite to 70 PR. And here side opposite to 70 is AC. That is PR is equal to AC. That is very simple problem. And next, and the picture is here. Two sides, two triangles are there. First of all, you want to find 8 centimeter. And here also you find 8 centimeter. Then what happened? 30 degree. One end angle is 30 degree. And here, that is correct. One end angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. And this angle is 30 degree. And here gives one end angle is 70 degree. Here one end angle is 70 degree. And here not one end angle. And the third angle, it is not one end angle. Therefore, you want to calculate what is the one end angle here. 30 plus 80 is 110. 110 plus 70. Yes, here we can find angle 70 degree. Therefore, these two end angles are also equal. This angle and this angles are equal. Then we can say angle side opposite to 30, that is MN, is equal to, here side opposite to 30 is XZ are equal. And here side opposite to 70, that is LM is equal to side opposite to 70 is here. Side opposite to 70 is LM. Here side opposite to 70 is ZY. ZY are equal. That is very simple problem. And next problem you can see. In this figure, AP and PQ equal and parallel are lines. AP and PQ. You can see AP and PQ. What happened? Parallel. These sides are parallel sides. These two sides parallel. And lines drawn at the end of the line AB, the point of intersection of PQ and AB is marked as M. നമുക്ക് ഈ പി ക്യൂവിൻ്റെയും എ ബിൻ്റെയും പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ഇൻ്റർസെക്ഷൻ ഈസ് മാർക്ക്ഡ് ആസ് എം. വാട്ട് ഈസ് സ്പെഷ്യൽ അബൌട്ട് ദ പൊസിഷൻ ഓഫ് എം ഓൺ എ ബി? ഈ എം എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പോയിന്റിൻ്റെ പൊസിഷനെ പറ്റിയിട്ട് എന്ത് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയാണ് പറയാൻ പറ്റുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ചോദ്യം. ദെൻ AP and BQ are equal. First statement you can say AP and BQ are equal. ഈ സൈഡ് ഉണ്ട് ഈക്വൽ ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞ്. Then they are parallel. Then what happened parallel? For every parallel lines you can see a set angle. ഏത് പാരലൽ എടുത്താലും ഒരു സെറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റുകയാണ്. ദറ്റ് ഈസ് ഹിയർ സെറ്റ്. കണ്ടോ, ഈ പൊസിഷനിൽ നിൽക്കുന്ന സെറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ആൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ഈ സെറ്റ് ആംഗിളിൽ ഇതും എന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? both these angles are alternated. And now we can see another alternative, the mirror position. Mirror position means what? Mirror set. Mirror set means what? This is 2. These two lines, these two are also alternate angle. Therefore, these two angles are also alternated. Then considering these two triangles, you can see one side and end angles is equal to, here also one side and end angles. Therefore, these two triangles are equal. These two triangles are equal. You can write what is the reasons here. You want to write in your notebook, AP is equal to what? BQ. What is the reason? That is the given reason. It was given. And angle P is equal to angle Q. Angle P is equal to angle Q. And angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A is equal to angle B. What is the reason? Both are what? Alternate pairs. ഇതെന്താണ്? alternate angles ആണ് ഈ രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾസും. Therefore, these two triangles are equal. If these two triangles are equal, we can say angle opposed to this side, that is AM is equal to angle opposed to this angle. These two angles are equal. ഈ രണ്ട് ആംഗിളാണ് equal. This angle opposed to the side, this, that is AM is equal to what? MB. You can say AM is equal to what? MB. AM is equal to MB is we proved. And also we can say PM is equal to MQ. PM is equal to MQ. Then what is the position? Then there is a question. What is the special about the position of M on AB? What is the special about the position of M on AB? That is very clear. M bisect AM, or M is the midpoint of AB. M is midpoint of the PQ also, we can say. Then there is a question. Draw a line 5.5 centimeter long using a set square. Locate the midpoint of this line. First of all, we want to draw a 5.5 centimeter line. 5.5 centimeter line we want to using a set square here, and we can draw a 5.5 centimeter line. 5.5 centimeter you want to measure from 0, that is 5.5. you can take from 0, and that is 5.5 centimeter line. Then this line is 5.5 between 5 and 6. And now we want to do what? Using this set square, only using this set square, you want to mark the midpoint of this line. First of all, you can take that is there is a line here. Using set square, you can draw a line here. It is very simple. You can place this set square here, and you can draw a line like this. That is a line we can draw like is here. Then that line is over, and now we can take the reverse position of the set square, and you can mark an angle, same angle and same line here. How you draw here this line? Then you put the set square as very linear with this line, and you can now see how you want to draw this line. Then here an equal line, and now we construct that line here also. Then we can draw that line here. Then you want to stop here. That is, these two lines are equal, and these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. Therefore, these two lines are parallel and equal. These two lines are parallel and equal. And now the third method. Now you want to mark the middle point of this line. Therefore, you can draw this line at the end. Then you can see this point is the correct midpoint. This point is the correct midpoint of the 5.5 centimeter line AB. And now we use only your set square here. Now the question, third question. In the figure, ABCDE is a pentagon with all sides of the same length and all angles of the same size. You want to notice this 5 sides are equal. This is the considered pentagon, and all angles here, this angle and this angle, all angles are equal. Then the sides AB and AE extended. AB is extended to P and AE is extended to Q. And now also CD is extended to both sides, that is PQ. Then you can see some question here. Are the sides of triangle BPC equal to sides of triangle EQD? BPC, you can see a triangle here BPC and the triangle EQD. There is a question whether the sides are equal or not. We know that if these two triangles are equal, then it should be clear these sides are also equal. For that, we want to prove these two triangles are equal. And we can see a link here. These two sides are equal. We have BC is equal to DE because it's an equilateral pentagon. It is an equilateral pentagon. BC is equal to DE. That is clear. Then we can see these two are linear pair. These two angles are linear pair, and these two angles are also linear pair. Therefore, these two angles are equal. These two angles are already equal. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Then we can see in this triangle, this angle C, that is angle PCB is equal to, here we mentioned this angle, that is angle QDE, that is PCB and QDE are equal. And now we can see the same idea we can use here also. These two angles are equal. Therefore, these two angles are linear pair with these two angles. These two angles are equal. Therefore, these two angles are also equal. We can say angle PBC is equal to angle QED. Angle QED, that is also equal. Merely we can see these two angles are all angles are equal, therefore these two angles are also equal. Now we can say one side at the end position angles are equal. Therefore this triangle is equal with this triangle. We have two angle and the intermediate side is equal. Therefore we can say these two triangles are equal. Therefore this question had get answer. What is the answer? Yes, the sides are equal. These two triangles are equal, therefore sides are equal. Are the side AP and AQ of triangle APQ equal? There is another question. AP and AQ. Where is AP? AP, you can see AP here. That is AP. And where is AQ? AQ is here. Whether they are equal or not. We can say AB is equal to AE. That is clear. AB is equal to what? AE. What is the reason? It is given. It is given this pentagon is equilateral. Therefore, AB is equal to AE. And we had already proved AB is equal to what? This AB is equal to this QE. We proved AB is equal to QE. Therefore, what is the sum of this? Here AB, here PB is equal to QE. Here PB is equal to QE. Not AB, PB is equal to QE. Then what is the sum of these two? AB plus PB. AB plus PB. That is AB is equal to. What is QE plus AE plus QE? AE plus QE. That is AQ. AB is equal to AQ. On adding these two sides, these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal. On adding these two and adding these two, they are also equal. Therefore, AB is equal to what? This AB is equal to this AP. AP is equal to, here we can say AP. AB plus BP is AP is equal to what? AQ. Therefore, these two sides are also equal, you can say. You can see fourth question. In triangle ABC and triangle PQ are shown below. We can consider triangle ABC and PQR are two triangles. AB is equal to QR. This side AB is equal with this side QR. That is given. AB is equal to QR. And BC is equal to RP. Where is BC? This is BC. And RP is where? This is RP. We can put the same sign here. Then we can identify. By this symbol, we can identify BC is equal to RP. CA is equal to PQ. And CA and PQ are equal. Therefore, you put two lines. CA and PQ are equal. Then, are CD and PS are equal? Why? That is a question. Are CD and PS are equal? Where is CD? CD is this line. And where is PS? PS is this line. And we want to answer this question only while considering two triangles with CD and PS. First of all, we consider the triangle with the sides CD and PS. CD side ആയിട്ടുള്ള triangle consider ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ ഞാനിവിടെ CD side ആയിട്ടുള്ള triangle consider ചെയ്യണം. എന്നാലേ നമുക്ക് ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ പറയാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. PS side ആയിട്ടുള്ള triangle consider ചെയ്യണം. Now we consider a triangle with a side PS. Here this triangle have a side PS and here this triangle have a side CD. Now we compare these two triangles and we want to prove these two triangles are equal. We have one side are equal. Therefore we get yes, that is intermediate side. And now we can say this angle A is equal to this angle Q. How you can say this angle A and angle Q are equal? It is not given. It is not given here. There is no idea about these two angles. But given all sides are equal. All sides are equal implies these big triangles are equal. All sides are equal. Yes, yes, yes. Three sides are equal. That implies what? These big triangles are equal. These big triangles are equal implies what? These two angles are equal. Corresponding angles are there. These two angles are corresponding angles in a equal triangles. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Then we get angle A is equal to angle Q. We can say angle A is equal to angle Q. Now you can see this angle is 90 degree and here also this angle is 90 degree. These two angles are equal. But we want two end angles. രണ്ട് end angles ആണ് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത്. സൈഡിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് എൻഡിലുള്ള ആംഗിൾസ് വേണം. Triangle total angle sum is what? 180. Here also total angle sum is 180. And these two angles are equal to these two angles. Therefore, merely we can say the third angle is also equal. Total angle sum 80. Sum is 180. Therefore, third angles are also equal. Then now we can see this angle here C. Angle C is equal to angle P here. In this triangle, angle P. Angle C is equal to what? Angle P. Now what happened? By our one side and two end side angles are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are equal. The big triangles are equal. First we proved by this information the big triangles are equal. By this information, what happened? These small triangles are also equal. These small triangles are equal. But that implies what? Angle opposed to this angle is CD. The side opposed to this angle, that is CD, is equal to side opposed to this angle, that is what? PS. CD is equal to PS. That we had already proved. CD and PS are equal. That is, we get the answer. Then what is the relation between the areas of triangle ABC and triangle PQR? ABC and PQR are equal. That implies sides are equal. That implies angles are equal. That implies also area is equal. That is implies what? Also area is equal. If triangles are equal, sides are equal, angles are equal, area is also equal. The fifth question, you can see another question here. In a quadrilateral, you can see a quadrilateral here. ABMD. Sorry, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD shown below. The sides AB and CD are parallel. This side AB is parallel to this side CD. M is a midpoint of side BC. M is midpoint of side BC. We can see BC the midpoint. Therefore, these two sides are equal. Question. The lines DM and AB are extended meet in N. Are the areas of triangle DCM, triangle BMN equal? Why? DCM and BMN. DCM and BMN. And what about the question is about area, whether area is equal. We want to prove area is equal only when triangles are equal. Now we want to prove these two triangles are equal. One sides are equal. We have MC is equal to what? BM. What is the reason? M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of BC. And these two angles are equal. Vertically opposed angle. These two angles are vertically opposed angle. The angle M in this triangle, that is angle DMC, is equal to angle NMB. Angle NMB here. Or BMN. These two angles are equal, but is vertically opposed angle. And now we can say this angle, this parallel line, these two lines are parallel. Therefore, this angle and this angle are equal. This Z angle, you can see a Z here. You can see a Z here. These Z angles are equal. That is, these two angles are equal. You can write that word DCM is equal to NBM. Angle DCM is equal to NBM. Then what we have? One side and end angles are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are equal. These two triangles are equal implies what? The area is equal. Area equal ആണെന്നുള്ളത് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞു. Then additional question is that what is the relation between the areas of quadrilateral ABCD and the triangle ADN? ABCD and triangle ADN. ABCD means what? This triangle is here. triangle is here with this triangle. And when we consider ADN, this triangle is transferred to here. Then what happened? This quadrilateral and this triangle has equal area. This triangle included in both figures. Therefore, this triangle, this big triangle and this quadrilateral has equal area. That is the answer. And now there is a question. Are the two diagonals of a rectangle are equal? There is a question. Are two diagonals of a rectangle are equal or why? We have a rectangle. This is a rectangle. You can see a rectangle here. And we consider the diagonals here. Two diagonals. And we want to prove, what is the proof we want to show? These two diagonals are equal. We want to prove either A, B, C, D. We want to prove AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. We want to prove that. For AC and BD are equal, we will consider two triangles with AC and BD. AC and BD prove equal prove AC and BD and triangle consider. Now you AC triangle. Yes. And you can see a triangle and the triangle with side BD also here. Two triangles are here. And the triangles this form is we consider the triangle. Each side AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to what? DC. AB and DC are equal. What is the reason? Opposites of the rectangles are equal. And you can see this angle is equal to this angle. This angle 90 degree rectangle. Therefore, this angle 90 degree. Angle B is equal to angle C. And both these angles are 90 degree right angle. Therefore, these two angles are equal. And you can consider this side. In this triangle, this side, and in this triangle, these sides are equal. What is the reason? Both are same. And consider these two triangles, BC is equal to BC. We can consider it is common. It is the common side. Both sides are common. Then what is? You can see triangle ABC, this triangle, this ABC triangle, and triangle BCD are equal. Triangle ABC and triangle BCD are equal. Then in this triangle has a 90 degree angle and in this triangle has a 90 degree angle. Therefore, side opposed to 90 degree. Side opposed to 90 degree. Here what? AC is equal to. Side opposed to 90 degree. Here what? BD. And AC is equal to, you get what? BD. Side opposed to equal angles are equal. Therefore, AC is equal to BD. First of all, we want to prove that these two triangles are equal. And last, you take that angle opposed to side opposed to equal angles are equal. Therefore, AC is equal to BD is the answer.